Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by cutting the easy, high-value signals. Open settings and turn off location for all apps you don't need. Then review each app and revoke mic, camera, and contact access. Once done, reset your advertising ID and disable ad personalization to stop targeted tracking across apps. Make sure to remove unnecessary accounts and sign out of services you rarely use. These first moves reduce most passive tracking quickly and set you up for deeper protections. Next, harden how your phone connects and what apps can report. Install a trustworthy VPN and activate the kill switch to prevent data leaks when the connection drops. Replace default browsers with tracker-blocking browsers and disable third-party cookies. Run privacy extensions if available. Audit installed apps and swap out data-hungry ones for privacy-first alternatives, making sure permissions remain minimal. Once these changes are active, monitor network logs or your VPN app for unexpected connections to finish by tidying residual traces. Clear browser history, app caches, and uninstall any unused apps that still hold tokens. Enable automatic OS and app updates to patch tracking exploits, and use a strong lock screen with biometrics or a long passphrase. Back up essential data before any big change. If tracking persists, reboot the device and recheck permissions. If that fails, perform a factory reset after backing up. This restores a clean state and typically resolves stubborn tracking vectors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.